Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Dodge Challenger. Start by sketching a long, low rectangle to establish the car's main body. This will be your foundation. Next, add two large circles for the wheels, making sure they are positioned symmetrically. Then, draw a horizontal line across the middle of your rectangle. This will guide the placement of the windows. Finally, lightly outline the general shapes for the hood and trunk, keeping everything very loose. Now let's refine those initial shapes. Gently curve the lines for the front and rear fenders, giving the car its muscular stance. Draw in the windshield and side windows, using that horizontal guide line to keep them proportionate. Next, sketch the distinctive wide grille at the front. It's a key feature of the Challenger. Don't forget to add the rear bumper and taillight sections, keeping their design somewhat blocky for authenticity. It's time to bring in some crucial details. Carefully draw the headlights and taillights, making sure they reflect the Challenger's signature look. Move on to the wheels, adding the rims and a simple spoke pattern, perhaps a 5-spoke design to make them pop. Don't forget the door lines and side mirrors. Their correct placement is important. Finally, add some subtle body creases along the sides to give your drawing more depth and a realistic feel. For the final touches, carefully erase all those initial guidelines, leaving only your clean Challenger sketch. Now, it's time for shading. Use a pencil to add shadows, especially under the car, within the wheel wells, and in any recessed areas to create depth. Go over your main outlines with slightly darker lines to make your Challenger really stand out. If you like, add a simple ground line or a basic background to give your drawing some context.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.